Did you notice it's becoming harder and harder to get good leads and sales nowadays? Earlier, you could just pick up a free ebook or report, create a lame opt-in page, put some ads out, and you'd get thousands of leads. But people are now more and more immune to them and aren't even interested in the free offer anymore. So what do? Is there a way to get good leads and sales again? Well, today I'm going to show you how we legally cracked OpenAI and ChatGPT's algorithm to get thousands of clicks and hundreds of leads every day without any previous experience. Hi, my name is Yogesh Agarwal, and I'm a computer geek who loves to solve complicated problems for marketers. And I'm grateful to be able to help over 120,000 marketers succeed with my simple software solutions, which in turn has generated me and my company over $3.5 million in sales in just the last 4 years. But in all seriousness, I've been having major trouble lately with getting traffic and leads with my content. All of my traffic, leads, and sales that came from my ebooks, PDFs, trainings, and lead magnet pages started dying very fast last year. In fact, I was spending thousands per month on ads just to support the income I created with my content. It didn't take me long to realize I was facing a cold, hard truth that you may resonate with. Free reports, ebooks, and traditional opt-in pages aren't working anymore. In fact, they're all dead. A few months back, I was reading my Amazon Kindle book when I noticed something. I couldn't turn the page. It was locked, and it said, "To unlock this page, you need to buy this book." It was a simple trick, but it worked. That's when I had an idea. What if I could use the same trick to get people to sign up for my list? But the traditional ebooks were not enough. I hit the streets of research to find out. With this idea in hand, all I needed to do is go to Google and search the term ebooks that read like Kindle books. And from there, I got into an hour-long searching session where I found out about Flipbooks. Turns out it's not just Amazon Kindle. And let me tell you, turns out buyers have been preferring Flipbooks over PDFs for years now. 1. They're much more engaging, interactive, and memorable than just boring PDF that nobody reads anyways. It can be flipped, scrolled, clicked, and watched just like a Kindle book. 2. They have the wow factor. They look like real books when presented in the browser and give you the real deal of credibility and prestige. 3. And they're fully monetized. You can add buy buttons to every page or ask your visitors to email opt-ins at any point in time. And realizing its potential to restore my traffic or even explode my business, I jumped right in. But it wasn't easy at all. I needed coding, I needed writing, and most importantly, it needed a designer to make the flipbook look presentable. It was a long, drawn-out process, creating each page one by one, adding content, and making sure everything worked correctly. I looked out for online softwares, only to find out the good ones are either too expensive or too limited. With all due respect, upwards of $200 per month to convert my PDFs into flipbooks? Ouch! I figured out that's the reason why 99% of marketers still ignore flipbooks and continue to waste their time on ebooks and PDFs. And it took me less than 1 second of looking at it to decide that since I'm a product creator myself, it'll be far easier for me to just go and develop it, cheaper in the long run. And I can sell licenses to it and support the system. I was like, okay, let's get to work. So I combined my connections and resources to develop the ultimate flipbook creator and monetizer in the world without monthly fees. Like baking a cake, I started adding all the ingredients needed for the best flipbook creator. First, I took the concept of flipbooks and decided I'm going to create the best software to create flipbooks, and I'm going to make sure it has the highest quality designs and content there can be. Then I improved upon it. Then during development, it became clear how powerful this can be if we add more monetization features. With a strong focus on getting more leads, more clicks, and more buyers, plus how we can include AI in the process to help speed things up and still make sure they're of the highest quality. And lastly, I automated it. And the end result is an all-powerful, all-in-one flipbook creator and monetizer with 8 different ways to create awesome flipbooks and profit from them. I turned all my ebooks into flipbooks, every single one. The shift to flipbooks restored my business and added extra leads and income. More overall engagement, more leads, better open rates, like a snowball effect. It just exploded my business on every front. Traffic, leads, and sales started rolling in without any special effort. Now it's your time to access the very same technology I've been using to get hundreds to even thousands of leads daily for free. Introducing AI List Flipper. With AI List Flipper, you can explode your traffic leads and sales by creating and publishing up to hundreds of unique flipbooks per minute on complete autopilot in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. The hook. Create your flipbook using the multiple easy ways AI List Flipper lets you choose from. Option 1. Turning your existing PDFs and ebooks into flipbooks in one click. Option number 2. Create a unique flipbook with original content in one click using ChatGPT. Option 3. Choose from over 15 million ready-made ebooks and articles to turn into high-converting, drop-dead gorgeous flipbooks. And 5 more flipbook and ebook creation features. Step 2. The bait. Choose your flipbook design, flow, and play with all the options you have customizing the flipbook. Step number 3. Launch campaign and get traffic, plus leads from scratch. All that's left is one more click. This click belongs to our special traffic feature, which instantly shares your flipbooks across social media. Alternatively, you can just get a direct link of your flipbook and do whatever you want with it. Each flipbook you create will be filled with your branding, monetization methods, an easy and automated lead gen system to get email subscribers, and follow-up sequences to convert those subscribers into buyers automatically. AI List Flipper is the gift that keeps on giving. There are countless amazing benefits to using AI List Flipper. 1. It's the one and only software that creates highly interactive, engaging, and memorable flipbooks in minutes. Imagine being able to create hundreds of flipbooks every single day and save time and money. 2. The integrated AI algorithms also allow you to create unique content from scratch in one click with ChatGPT. No more writing, no more researching, no more wasting time. Perfect for any marketer who wants to stand out from the crowd with original content. Plus, you don't need to hire designers or outsource, as AI List Flipper has an inbuilt design editor, which lets you create beautiful flipbooks with ease. 4. Includes a powerful automated lead generation and follow-up sequence system built in, so you don't have to worry about manually setting up lead forms. 5. You can easily monetize your flipbooks in multiple ways, from affiliate marketing, CPA offers, freelancing gigs, and much more. You get access to our special traffic feature that lets you instantly share your flipbooks via social media and get unlimited free traffic. 7. Repurpose old nasty content nobody wants into an exciting lead-generating and money-making flipbook in one click. 8. No monthly fee during the launch period only. You just pay once and get lifetime access to the app. There's nothing like this online, and you're getting it with a massive launch special. All the features you need to generate leads, traffic, and sales are included in one simple software. While your competitors are still struggling to get traffic and leads, you could be ahead of the pack and get unlimited free clicks, leads, and sales with AI List Flipper. My reputation is solid and long-lasting. From SaaS to AI, I've been around for a long time. My reputation is pretty good, solid and long-lasting, so you're in good hands. The price is, pardon my language, stupid low. This is a steal. In all seriousness, the price is very low and I've done this on purpose, so it's a no-brainer. Because this is a limited time one-time offer, after the launch, we'll turn into a monthly subscription model. We need lots of resources to run this business, and we need to make sure that we can continue to make it available for all of you. And this way, we'll be able to support our operations more effectively. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You'll lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that if you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, within 30 days of buying AI List Flipper, we'll refund 100% of your money. No questions asked. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, or you'll regret it later. AI List Flipper is the best, fastest, and easiest way to generate leads, traffic, and sales quickly. If you don't take action, you know things will stay the same. You will still waste time and money on products that don't work. You'll be stuck hoping for a solution, hoping to finally make some money online. So don't let that happen to you. Don't regret getting the AI List Flipper at a higher price. Or worse, don't regret it when it's off the market. Get your copy now.